But how can I express?
How can I express my gratitude?
Living Walls Assemblies of God, Potomac District, AG, presents Gospel Concert and Album Launch. Theme, celebrating His goodness after a pandemic. Host, Dr. Godwin Setchere. Special guest artist, Joe Metal. Date, on the 7th August, 2021. Venue, Roca Eternidad, Ultramodern Auditorium, 4610 69th Avenue, Landover Hills, Maryland, 20784. For any enquiries, contact 301-222-7732. Email livingwallsag@gmail.com. Website www.livingwallsag.com. Don't forget, MC for the occasion, MC and the Angels. Call a family, invite your family, call a friend, invite a friend, to invite a friend, to invite a friend. Heaven will kiss the earth, and your life will never be the same.